Have you ever wondered how animals survive in their diverse and often harsh environments? Let's consider this. Over millions of years, animals have developed intriguing adaptations, traits that enhance their chances of survival and reproduction. These adaptations are the result of evolution, a process driven by natural selection, where the most suitable traits for a specific environment are passed down through generations. Animals have evolved in extraordinary ways to ensure survival in their unique habitats. But how exactly? Let's delve deeper. Imagine living underwater where light is scarce and pressure is high. How do you think creatures adapt? Let's take a deep dive into the adaptations of some remarkable deep-sea dwellers. For example, the anglerfish, a creature that seems straight out of science fiction, has a unique way of surviving in the dark depths. It uses a light-producing organ, aptly named the esker, dangling like a fishing rod from its forehead. In the pitch-black surroundings, this glow acts like a beacon, attracting unsuspecting prey towards the anglerfish's gaping mouth. But it's not just about finding food. The immense pressure of the deep sea can crush most creatures, but not these hardy souls. They've evolved pressurized bodies with flexible bones and compressible fluids, which allow them to withstand the crushing depths. These adaptations, as bizarre as they may seem to us, are key to their survival in this harsh environment. From luminescent lures to pressurized bodies, life in the deep sea certainly demands some unusual adaptations. Now let's turn up the heat and venture into the desert. How do animals survive in such a hot and dry environment? In this seemingly inhospitable terrain, life thrives in the most unexpected ways. Take the fennec fox, for instance. This small but rugged creature has evolved to beat the odds in its desert home. With its oversized ears, it can dissipate body heat effectively, preventing overheating during the scorching desert days. But when night falls and temperatures plunge, the fennec fox is ready. Its thick, insulating coat keeps it warm against the harsh desert chill. But it's not just about temperature control. Desert animals have found ingenious ways to conserve and find water in an environment where it's a precious commodity. Some, like the kangaroo rat, can survive without ever drinking water, getting all the hydration they need from their food. Whether it's beating the heat or bracing for the cold, desert dwellers have evolved in some truly remarkable ways. What about life at high altitudes where the air is thin and temperatures are low? What kind of adaptations might we find there? Let's take a journey to the peaks and explore. In these harsh, high-altitude conditions, animals have evolved remarkable adaptations. Consider the snow leopard, a master of the mountains. This magnificent creature's thick coat isn't just for show. It serves as an essential barrier against the biting cold, allowing the leopard to thrive in temperatures that would make most animals shiver. But it's not just the cold these animals have to deal with. The air is thin too. How do they breathe? Well, the snow leopard has an answer for that as well. Its large nasal cavities act like natural heaters, warming the cold, thin air before it reaches the lungs. This not only makes breathing easier, but also helps to conserve vital energy. From the deep sea to the high mountains, animals have evolved in fascinating ways to survive in their unique environments. So, what's the takeaway from all these amazing adaptations? We've journeyed together from the depths of the sea to the vast expanse of the desert and up to the dizzying heights of the highest peaks. In each of these environments, we've seen creatures that have not just survived, but thrived, thanks to their unique adaptations. Underwater, we've seen creatures with incredible pressure resistance and light-emitting abilities. In the desert, we've witnessed animals that can survive with minimal water and withstand extreme temperatures. And at high altitudes, we've marveled at animals with increased lung capacity and blood that carries more oxygen. All these adaptations, as diverse and fascinating as they are, serve a singular purpose: survival and reproduction. These traits increase an animal's chances of living long enough to pass on its genes to the next generation. This, in essence, is the driving force of evolution. These adaptations are not a result of choice or conscious decision, but of millions of years of natural selection, survival of the fittest, as it's often called. It is a slow and relentless process that shapes every aspect of life on Earth. Next time you see an animal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of evolution that has shaped its existence. Adaptation, indeed, is the key to survival.